Welcome to Flatknox. Let me show you around. Here's our mural that we have painted here. We're big fans of art here at Flatknox. So we've adorned the walls with some artwork for you. We like to see the temperature and time so that we always know what's going on here at Flatknox. These are memorials to jams that we've held in the past and to other riding spots that we once maintained. This is a trophy. I don't know what it's for. This is our sound system so that some of the riders can listen to 38 Special, ABBA, or any of the other fine musical selections that we keep here at Flatknox. This is the complaint box where we write complaints and drop them in. We complain about a lot of stuff here. We complain about parking lots that don't have the perfect surface. We complain about the fact that maybe we can't go outside and ride. We just complain about a lot of stuff here. So we have this box here, and someone will open this and look at the complaints and then throw them away. It makes us feel better that we complain about it. My lunch is done. Oh. Look at that. My lunch. Oh. So this is the kitchen area. We have a wide variety of snacks. We have a little refrigerator with cold drinks to keep us hydrated during our flatland sessions. So this is an important part of Flatknox. This is a door that's never been opened. No one knows what's back there. Let's get into it, shall we?
It's a trap!
Okay, maybe we won't open that door. Okay. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our little tour of Flatknox. See you next time.